Welcome to Garup Windows YouTube video channel. In this video, you will learn to download and install custom cursor theme packs on Windows 11. Windows 11 lets you change mouse cursor color and size according to your needs. It comes with a few mouse pointers schemes that you can change if you need. If you are still unhappy with Windows cursor theme packs and want to see new ones, you can download and install a third-party theme pack. Thousands of free cursor themes are available at Real World Designer's Open Cursor Library to download, link provided in video description. If you want to customize theme cursors, this is an excellent place to browse for many themes. How to download and install custom cursor theme packs on Windows 11. Download a mouse cursor theme from any website. If the downloaded theme is packed in a zip file, unzip in a folder. Now, open the Settings app by pressing Windows +I keys from the keyboard. When Windows Settings opens, select Bluetooth and Devices category from the left sidebar. On the right sidebar of Bluetooth and Devices, click the Mouse tab. Locate the related Settings section and then click on the additional Mouse Settings option. When you're done, the Mouse Properties dialog will open. Navigate to the Pointers tab. Select a cursor situation from the Customize section, and then click the Browse button. Now, File Explorer will open. From here, navigate to the folder where you have stored the cursor files. Then select a cursor file you want to use and click the Open button. You need to repeat the process for each cursor in the list to replace all with customer cursors. When you're done, click Save As. Give it a name, and then click OK to save the custom scheme. Click Apply. Click OK. Now your custom theme is applied. That's it.